When I started researching nurse practitioner programs, I really wanted to stay local in the Treasure Valley. And honestly, just a quick little Google search, and I said, oh, there's a small Christian campus in Nampa. And I had no idea, not being from the area originally. So I always thought Boise State, but Boise State at the time didn't have a family nurse practitioner program, and NNU did, and it was a master's level, and it really checked all the boxes I was looking for. So it was the only school I even applied to when I was looking at getting into the program. I was looking for somewhere that was brick and mortar, somewhere that I could actually go to the campus, wasn't just some remote online school that I would never actually see in person or go to on person. I loved that they did a residency lab where we actually did hands-on skills, assessed real patients, other students, but posing as real patients. I thought that was really unique. And I just also liked that I got to sit down with the director and do an interview face-to-face. I actually have done a lot of my clinical rotations with the director of our program, and I don't know of too many nursing programs that you can say, yeah, I've had that type of an education and experience. So it was just a very, I would say, personal experience when just coming to this campus. And I love being in the community, and definitely when I do my clinical rotations and people here in NNU, they think highly of the program, and that makes me proud. When I started thinking I wanted to go into being a provider and shifting my career, all of my nursing experience has been in intensive care, and I love ICU. I love taking care of really sick patients, but I was really inspired to say, gosh, I want to prevent people from getting into the ICU, and where does that start? And I think there's a disconnect in primary care, that we're really not hitting the mark with metabolic health, things like that. We're kind of not screening and not doing the things we should. And so by kind of exploring this route, I wanted to be empowered to say, yeah, you can look into metabolic health, you can look into these kind of things. And that, again, bringing back into the faculty here, when you look, our faculty support functional medicine. They support that kind of root cause approach. And I wrote a paper back when I started nursing program about how I wanted to be a nurse practitioner, and I wanted to have this functional health, holistic health model. And I wrote all these details, and as I kind of started practicing in nursing, I became a little discouraged, thinking like, gosh, this really isn't where medicine's focus is. And I think coming here into this program, it was that refreshing rebirth of, oh, that paper I wrote, like I'm seeing this come to life now because I'm supported in this avenue of health and really digging deep. And I've been able to do that in my clinical practice too, is sit down with patients, look at labs that you typically wouldn't look at, say, hey, let's focus on these lifestyle interventions because we don't always need a medication. Let's get down to the root of what's causing this. And it's just really been a blessing. Okay, so highlights of the program. I would say getting to come on campus for those residency labs, meeting your peers. You spend the first couple semesters just online, talking to people, responding to people's discussion posts. And then when you finally get to see each other and meet each other, it's so real. Just having that camaraderie, because it's a hard program. It's such and we all have life going on. Most people are working, we have families, we have church, we have, just things that we want to keep living our lives. So you really need that support. And we have formed our cohort has formed a nice little support group within itself. So I'm frequently, texting people and, hey, how'd you do on this? Or what do you think we should do on this? Oh, let me help you with this. And just that, having those bonds, I know these people I've been through this program with will be in contact forever because we went through something, so special together. Going back to school is a big challenge. There's a lot that goes into it. I mean, I probably put it off for about 5 years because of, fears and, trying to fit it into life. I probably did it at the least opportune time because I had a 4-week-old brand new baby and just turned 2-year-old toddler. So, but I hit the ground running, and I knew that if I could just take it one day at a time, focus one day at a time, it actually, once I got back into the swing of things, it just became a part of the daily grind. And I actually looked forward to, okay, kids are in bed, I'm gonna sit down and work on this discussion post, or I'm gonna sit down and read this chapter. It gave me kind of that sense of self I needed, something that really filled my cup, because I do enjoy healthcare. I do enjoy providing for people. And I think I lost that. I've been at the bedside for, it was 8.5 years at that time. And I kind of lost touch with why I started this. And this was like the reset I needed to get me ignited again. Even life being crazy, having 2 little kids, having, work and just trying to juggle everything and family, and you still want to be there for everybody and, didn't take your personal time, but it became a part of my me time, which I wasn't expecting. I didn't anticipate that, but now I really love it because this is what I do. This is what I was made to do.